and welcome back to Wrap It Up Wednesday on Adventures with Piccadilly for my second tip and trick video. This video is actually going to be a trick plus a bonus trick. So the first thing, the bonus, is if you ever want to wear a headband with your scarf that's a circle, not the kind of hard plastic kind, put it on before you put on your shaper. It's much easier to do it that way and just pop it up than it is to try to fit it on either your shaper or your shaper and your scarf when you've already got it all wrapped. So that's the bonus tip. But for the real one, today I'm going to show you a way to wrap using an infinity scarf. First thing you want to do is, in the circle, one, if you have a seam, you're going to want it to be offset. So not directly in the middle or directly at the end, but offset just a little. And then fold the inside, or fold it to the inside of your circle down enough that when you put it on over your shaper, the end width of the scarf is at the end of your shaper. This is always important because it's going to make your scarf lay flatter and more neatly, but it's especially important when you're doing a infinity scarf because otherwise you end up with this really weird bit at the end that you don't really have anything to do with. So as you can see now, I've got it just laid over the back of my head and then ending near the end of my shaper, and I'm going to grab the two ends just like I would with a rectangular scarf, but see how they're attached in the bottom? So grab the two ends and twist them together. Now I'm going to twist them in the direction of my non-dominant hand. This is opposite of how I usually do it, but for whatever reason with these infinity scarves, it just seems to come out prettier if I use the non-dominant side. And then as I twist, I'm going to be pulling and flattening so that my twist comes out. And you can see I've got a kind of lumpy bit right there. Pulling and flattening so that my twist comes out relatively nice and pretty. Now, when you get to the end, the very bottom of the loop of the infinity scarf, you are going to have a little bit of a weird bit. That's okay. You just kind of want to watch where it folds or where it lays when you bring it around so that it doesn't do a weird loopy looking thing at the side of your head. So like here you can see that's where the infinity scarf ended, and I'm just going to use the mirror to make sure that it all lays flat. Then I'm going to take my headband, bring it up, and poof. You would never look at this scarf and think it was any different from a regular rectangular scarf, but it opens up the whole breadth of your infinity scarves to use as head wraps as well. Thanks, I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more videos.